Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix age restriction on TikTok. TikTok has a policy that the age that you used for signing up to your TikTok will not be changed on your profile anymore. So if TikTok recognizes that you're underage, then there will be some videos that will be restricted for you to see. So if you accidentally put it wrong age on your TikTok, here's how to change it. First, open TikTok. Then tap the person icon located on the lower right part of your screen to go to your profile. From your profile, tap the three lines on the top and then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down. Under Support, tap Report the Problem. Once you're on this page, scroll down and you'll have an option to submit a report. Tap that. Then in here, you'll have an option to type in what is your concern. So here I'm typing in that, for example, I'm already 19 and I'm still restricted to see some videos. And I will also add some description like when is my birthday, just to give them some idea regarding with my age. And you can also add some more details with your age regarding with this one. But once you're done, you can just press submit and TikTok will respond to you via email. Make sure that the email address you registered on your TikTok is your active email address that you can access. And that's how you fix age restriction on TikTok. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.